Hi, this is Mila, and today I will be showing you how to use caulk. So caulking is super useful to plug little holes, make sure it all looks smooth, and I will be doing the demonstration on my mini kitchen, but obviously it can be used in a variety of situations. First, a disclaimer, I am not a professional, this is just how I do it and how I found it's easy for me. Also, I'm working with very limited space, so hopefully I will not be whacking anything. Now, this is very nice because it's the color of the mini kitchen, but it's not open. And I am planning to color the sink white afterward, to paint it white. So I do happen to have this one. It's paintable, it dries quickly, and it's already open. Now, the reason why I have this at the end is because it is open and I didn't want it to become dry. I used it a few months ago and see, it looks pretty wet. So far so good. I have a little Kleenex here on the side just to leave my materials. And now where did I put it? I'll be using a caulking gun. So to use the caulking gun, I will put this inside this way. There we go. So there's the trigger and there's this pointy part at the end, which is actually what's putting pressure on the first. So as you can see, this itty bitty part here is moving every time I press on it, and eventually once I've pressed enough, silicone will come out of this part. And I don't want to put like a big pressure on it, because if I do put too much pressure on it, a lot will come out and I will make a mess, which is, I guess, another tip. Make sure that, there we go, this first part was really touching the bolt, so I'll remove it. I guess my first tip is, because this is pretty messy, I'll just put pressure and move it. I'm not sure how it's going to work with this material. I've never done it with this material, but I will help it afterwards with my fingers. So it doesn't seem to be sticking very well, but that's all right. It doesn't have to. It's not made for this, but I am kind of doing the best that I can, and I don't need a very large amount either. So when I'm done applying it, it does keep coming out because I haven't released. So to release the pressure, I'm going to press on this. There we go. I'm sorry, push the camera yet again. So now it'll stop coming out. I will just remove this bit. This way I won't be afraid that it's going to make a mess. But as you can, there we go. As you can tell, I'm already kind of covered. So make sure you're wearing appropriate clothing. There you go. So I'm just going to take my finger and I'm going to pass it by the corner. There we go. See, it looks way smoother. I'll actually use the little bit here that did come out, so I can use some more just to plug it up even nicer. There we go. Better. And see, now the hole in between those two disappeared. So I'll do the same for the other ones. And once I'm done, I'll be right back. There we go. So I ended up passing my finger inside as well as on the outside, because a real thing would be caulked. I even did it here at the front. And at this point I was kind of starting to put a lot of silicone, so I stopped caulking. And yeah, so now I'll just, to end, I will just plug the tubey and I will let it dry. And I did wash my hands just with water and soap a little bit before they came off, then I reapplied, so that's why there's a bit more on my finger. But all in all, it was pretty mess free, and I can paint it white once I'm done with everything. So I hope you found this helpful, and have a lovely day, and I'll see you for the next moment we get to share together. And if you like this video, like and subscribe. Bye.